Free AI is already making money for people in 2026, and I'll show you exactly how. Most people think that using AI has to be complicated or expensive. But the truth is, free AI tools are already so powerful, they're starting to replace entire online jobs. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how free AI actually makes money in the real world of 2026. The best part? You don't need any coding skills, you don't need to buy any paid tools, and you don't need any prior experience. This is the simple, straightforward guide you've been looking for. So, let's start with the first and most important step. Pick one simple task. This is where so many beginners go wrong. They see all the amazing things AI can do and try to do everything at once. That's a recipe for burnout and confusion. Instead, you can focus on mastering one thing. It could be something as simple as writing social media content, creating video scripts, summarizing long PDF documents for clients, or even generating new product ideas for small businesses. Remember, people aren't just paying for creativity anymore. In today's market, speed and consistency are what truly command a premium. And that's exactly where AI gives you an unbeatable edge. By focusing on one task, you can become incredibly efficient and reliable, which is what clients are really looking for. Now for step 2, you need to use ChatGPT correctly. And I have to be honest, most people are using it completely wrong. They ask short, lazy questions, and then get frustrated with the generic answers. But professionals, we don't ask questions, we give clear, detailed instructions. Think of yourself as a project manager, and AI as your new employee. For every task, you should tell ChatGPT exactly what the task is, who the final output is for, what format it needs to be in, and what the ultimate goal is. For example, instead of asking, write a blog post about coffee, you'd say, act as a professional copywriter. Write a 500-word blog post for a coffee enthusiast audience. The tone should be informative, yet friendly. The goal is to get readers to click a link to our new single-origin coffee bean. The format should be an introduction, 3 main points, and a conclusion with a call to action. When you give AI that level of detail, it produces a high-quality, ready-to-sell output that requires very little editing. This brings us to step 3, turning that output into actual money. This is where the magic happens. A common misconception is that the AI itself is what gets paid. That's not true at all. You get paid for knowing how to use the tool effectively. People are taking this high-quality AI output and monetizing it in several ways. They sell freelance services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, offering things like content writing or script creation at a fraction of the time it would normally take. Others are bundling AI-generated content into digital products like ebooks or online courses. You can also use it to create a massive amount of high-quality content for your own blog or social media, which drives traffic that you can monetize with ads or affiliate links. And for those already working with clients, AI can automate a huge chunk of your client work, allowing you to take on more projects without working more hours. The AI is the tool, you are the strategist who profits. Finally, step 4 is all about automation. This is how you really unlock the make money while you sleep potential of AI. By using free automation tools like Zapier or IFTTT, you can connect different apps and services to create seamless workflows. For instance, you could set up an automation where every time you approve an AI-generated article in a Google Doc, it automatically posts it to your blog, shares it on your social media channels, and even sends an email to your subscriber list. You can automate client replies, file organization, and even the final delivery of your work. You set it up just once, and the system runs on its own, generating income for you around the clock. This isn't just about working smarter, it's about building a system that works for you. Ultimately, making money with AI in 2026 isn't about luck. It's about leverage. It's about using free tools to amplify your skills and your time. If you want more daily ideas on how to use free AI to make money, make sure you subscribe to Free AI Tools. I break all of this down step by step, with no hype and no fluff, just practical advice that works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.